BoatOutfitters.com makes it quick and easy to order custom-sized king starboard access doors to fit any space or hole in your boat. Now, when ordering access doors, there are three critical dimensions to consider. First is the outside dimension of your door. This is the total outside size of your door, including your frame. The second is the cutout dimension. The cutout dimension is, as you would expect, the size of the hole the door fits into. Our standard frame has a 7/8 inch overlap all the way around your cutout. Therefore, the cutout dimension will always be 1 3/4 inches less than the outside dimension. The last is the pass-through dimension. This is simply the size of the opening that the door creates. This is only important if there are specific items that you know need to pass through your door. An example may be an anchor locker door where you know the size of the anchor that has to pass through. When ordering a door from Boat Outfitters, type in the outside dimension of the door you require. If you only know the hole cutout that you are trying to fit, simply take your opening size and add 1 3/4 inches and type in that dimension. For example, if you had a 20-inch by 15-inch hole that you were trying to fill, you would need to order a door with an outside dimension of 21 3/4 by 16 3/4. As you type in these numbers, you will see the three critical dims pop up above. You can view these numbers to confirm that everything looks right and that you have done the math correctly. It is important to note that all doors will hinge on this length dimension. In general, most boat doors are hinged on the longer side, but it doesn't have to, and whatever you put in for this length dimension will be the side that we will hinge your door on. Once you've confirmed the size of the door that you need, you can begin customizing it to match your boat. The first option is color. We have 5 different standard king starboard colors to choose from. If you have any questions regarding color, please refer to the below tab Starboard Colors. We do sell king starboard sample chains where you can view all the different colors to best match your gel coat. The next is the lock type. We have 6 different standard lock types to choose from. We have white, black, and stainless steel. All of them are available in non-locking and locking options. We also give customers the opportunity to add integrated foam-filled bulb seal into the returns of their door. We cut a T-slot on our CNC routers into the door returns and then press our seal into place. Because of this, our seal stays permanently affixed, unlike adhesive-backed seals that tend to peel over time. We highly recommend adding seal to your door. It does provide some level of additional water resistance. However, the primary function it provides is to eliminate all rattle between your door and the returns while you're running your boat. Lastly, we allow customers to add vented louvers to their doors. Louvers are slots in the door face that facilitate air circulation. Our louvers are created by cutting staggered parallel lines. The first is cut from the front, while the second is cut from the back. This allows air circulation while minimizing the amount of water possibly blown through the door. The inclusion of louvers is largely a matter of personal preference. Once you have finalized your size and selected all of your options, click Calculate Your Price. This will give you the price of your custom-sized door built completely to your specifications. From here, you can click Add to Cart and complete your checkout. Our typical turnaround time on custom doors is 2 to 4 business days. The overlap information and the ordering process is exactly the same for all of our non-aluminum frame doors. This includes single panel access doors as we've looked at in this video, lift out removable doors, double open out doors, and even teak doors. The only small difference with double open out doors is that they will always hinge on the shorter side dimensions. Some of you may have noticed that when you type in a dimension that exceeds 30 inches, you get a pop-up that says, the maximum length for this product is 30 inches and the maximum width is 30 inches. The reason for this is that when you build doors much larger than that, you get into a territory where 2 latches may be required for the door to hang and function correctly. In these instances, it is generally best that you give us a call and we can talk through the design process of a door that large. These doors should be used for vertical applications and are not intended to be used in horizontal installations such as a deck hatch. The returns are screwed into the frame from the back, and therefore they are not designed to be load-bearing. These doors should never be installed in a position where they will be stepped on. We don't build anything that we are willing to call 100% waterproof, and these doors are no exception. They are, however, about as water resistant, especially with a bulb seal, as any door on the market. It is unlikely you would get much, if any, spray through the doors during standard boating activity. However, if during washdown you spray your hose directly on the door, you will likely see some water seeping through. These doors are fabricated from 1/2-inch thick king starboard. We build these exact same style access doors for literally hundreds of boat builders as original equipment every year. We have full confidence that the door will look and work great on your boat for the lifetime of your vessel. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call. We look forward to the opportunity to earn your business and build some parts for your boat.